Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come to you guys with a summertime sort of makeup tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial in a while, so I wanted to jump into summertime and do a nice summertime tutorial. But without me rambling any further, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so as you can tell, I already have my lids primed and my brows done. For my brows, I use the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I really love this. And for priming my eyelids, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And as far as the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Sephora Pro Warm palette. If you don't have the Sephora Pro Warm palette, any typical warm palette will do. I'm gonna go in with a MAC 217 blending brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this like orangey shade, and I'm going to place this color right in my crease area. And it's just going to be a nice transition for all of the other colors that I'm going to be placing down later in this eyeshadow look. Alright, so now that we have that color laid down, we're going to go into more of a deeper orange shade. So I'm going to go into this shade right here, just a little bit of a deeper orange, and I'm just going to go right over that. Just going back and forth just to deepen up that orange color. So now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild blending brush. This is a great blending brush if you're on a budget. I believe I only got this for 99 cents. Normal price I believe is like $2.99, but it's a great blending brush. And I'm going to go and I'm going to mix this shade right here and this lighter shade. And I'm just going to adjust that on my brow bone. Okay, so now taking this really kind of almost mustardy yellow color on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my lid. Alright guys, so now that I have most of the eyeshadow done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, put on liner and lashes, and then do the other eye, and then we're going to go on with the rest of the tutorial. I have the other eye done, lashes on. The lashes I am wearing are the Ardell double wispies, the double up double wispies. So yeah, these are them right here. Guys, so let's go ahead and move on to the face. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Faux Filter Primer as primer today. It's a really good primer if you have pretty normal to more so of a slightly drier skin. It does give you almost that slightly filtered look on your face, so that's why I really like it. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Now, speaking of drugstore foundations, I actually wanted to pick up the new CoverGirl foundation because my favorite foundation from the drugstore is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir foundation, other than this one, of course. The Vitalist Elixir is like really good. It's just the shade range was the shade range was crap. And when CoverGirl finally released their new foundation, I'm like, you know, I'm really hype about it still, but I went to my local drugstore to find, you know, to get my shade, and I was like, okay, they came out with 40 shades, but in store I only see like 110, because I think they range it from like light to medium to tan to dark, and only like one shade of tan was available, and then the rest of it was the lighter shades. And I checked at many of my Walgreens in my area, and the more predominantly ethnic kind of more ethnic areas, more urban areas, and they didn't have any of the darker shades either. So I'm like, okay, well, kudos for CoverGirl for coming out with deeper shades, but like, where are they in store? So if I can get my hands on that foundation, then I definitely will review it for you guys, let you guys know my thoughts. So foundation is on, going in with concealer with the Maybelline Age Rewind, my current favorite. I am pretty much halfway done with it. But if there are any items that you guys would like me to review, try out, let me know. Also for my guys out there, if you are interested, I'm actually going to be doing some videos that are about products that are geared towards, that are marketed towards men. So I'll be doing reviews on that. I think I might call it kind of like Manscaping Monday or something like that. I feel like that's a good like phrase. I believe that's a good like kind of catchy title, I guess. All right, now setting my face with the MAC times Patrick's powder, not my entire face, just my under eye area, just to kind of keep that little bit of brightness that the concealer is giving me. Okay, so now we're back to the eyes. I'm gonna be taking a MAC 239 brush, and you can use a pencil brush for this preferably, but this is what I have, and I'm just gonna take the edge of that 239, and I'm going in with the deeper orange shade that we used earlier, and I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. All right, and just to open the eyes a little bit more, I'm just going to put a shimmery color in the inner tear duct. I'm going to take this gold shade right here and mix a little bit with this kind of pinky shade. Just mix these two together. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner just to give a little bit of brightness. Okay, so to finish this look off, we're gonna finish off with the lips. So for lip liner, I'm going to be using the NYX lip pencil in Chestnut. Next, I'm gonna take this NYX lip lingerie in the color, what color is this? The color Honeymoon, and I'm just going to put this right in the center. And to top it all off, just to kind of add that little pop of glossiness, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Setting spray, MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, so this is a quick, fun little summer tutorial. If you guys would like to see more tutorials like this from me, definitely subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, leave comments down below, and yeah, I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.